This is Tom Aspray with the Viper Report. With just over a couple of days left in the summer trading, the stock market has been rewarding investors and traders for most of the past 3 months. Since the AD lines flipped back to positive on a short-term basis on August 17th, new buying was advised and those buyers have been rewarded. As has been the case for most of the summer, picking your entry points carefully in the right ETFs and stocks has been the correct strategy to profit during the summer months. Typically, a strong close in August does bode well for the year end, and even though September can be a difficult month, I see no signs yet of a significant top in the stock market. The economic data continue to look strong, as it has since early 2016, when we were major buyers of the stock market, though some were looking for a new recession. Consumer confidence on Tuesday made a new 18-year high, and all the economic indicators I follow continue to look strong. Some of these typically top out well ahead of a bear market or a recession, and we see no signs of it yet. There have been some great performers in the past week and a half. Let's take a look. This is one of the charts that's regularly featured in both the Viper ETF and the Viper Hot Stocks reports. It features the QQQ. That's an ETF that follows the NASDAQ 100, contain most of the high-tech stocks as well as biotech. It had consolidated into the middle of the month, but flipped back to positive a week ago Monday as the AD line surged back above its moving average, indicating the sideways pattern was going to be resolved to the upside. Since then, the QQQ is up 3.6%. That's a great performance for a month, and it made it in only 8 days. That means there are further gains likely ahead, though as always, one has to carefully look at their entry point. One of our favorite ETFs for most of the summer has been the VHT. That's the Vanguard Healthcare ETF. We did our last buying here in late June at around 158. It's at 176, up 18 points or well over 10% during that period. As you can see from the chart, it's ready to make another new high on Wednesday. Though the market's not closed, it's up nicely with a few hours of trading left. Another ETF that looks promising for the rest of the year are the emerging markets. Sentiment on the emerging markets is extremely bearish. You'll recall it was the favorite pick at the start of the year, but those who bought then got hurt badly. We added to our longs on the down gap opening about 2 weeks ago, and though the weekly studies have not yet confirmed a major bottom, the trade is working out well, and we're watching it closely for other good buying opportunities. As I mentioned in an earlier video, we have been making some nice profits in TTWO. That's Take-Two Interactive Software. We sidestepped the earnings drop, but got back in. It's making another new high today for traders. It looks like we could have somewhere between 15 and 20 new weekly buy signals for the Viper Hot Stocks report on Monday, and we add a new long position on Wednesday morning in a special update. If you're interested in subscribing to one of my premium services, you need to go to viperreport.com. That's VIPERREPORT. And on the main page, you can see the Viper ETF report. If you click on this, it'll tell you more about the service. And then at the bottom, you can sign up through PayPal. It's only $34.95 a month. You can cancel it anytime online yourself. You don't have to call the office. And I think you'll be pleased with the analysis you get. If you're interested in stock advice, you can also see it target here for the Viper Hot Stocks report. And if you click on that, it'll tell you about the Viper Hot Stocks report, what kind of advice we give you twice a week for just $34.95. And new clients to either services get 6 free trading lessons to tell them more about the markets. I hope you'll decide to join us.